Well, today we're joined with by Jerry Makison, who's here to tell us a little bit about the early enrollment period that is kind of important this time of year. Hi, Jerry. How you doing?
I'm doing real good. Yeah, we're talking about the annual election period. We're a little early for it, but I wanted to make sure I get the word out. It's October 15th to December 7th. And folks like myself, us licensed people out here, our calendars are filling up quickly because there's going to be major changes to Medicare going forward, especially on the Advantage plans and the drug coverage plans.
And as you mentioned, it's 53 days away, but still, you need to kind of get in there and get some advice because, as you talked about, a lot of people are going to be floundering around, and you mentioned that one of your months is already filled up.
Yeah, October is already completed. Again, there's only 53 days for us to see hundreds of people. So they really put the pressure on for us. And there's so many changes, and everybody's situation is a little bit different. So we want to spend some time with them and make sure we get it right.
And you also kind of mentioned the Blue Cross and Blue Shield, what's happening with that too.
Yeah, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas City is actually leaving the Medicare Advantage market. So folks that are in that group will have an option, many options, and they should know what their options are before they select one because you only get one chance. And that's the deal with Medicare. If you're new to Medicare or already on Medicare, you don't get a whole bunch of chances. You might want to get it right.
Right.
So we like to counsel folks. We don't charge any fees, so come in and hear what we have to say, and that way you have time to take care of it.
And so, Jerry, really, so if somebody's out there watching right now and they're going, I have no idea what's going on with this, they can just give you a call and set up for an appointment?
Correct. And there's no cost to that. They should bring in their current insurance cards, their Medicare card, of course, and a list of medications. And that way we can start the education process. We're more of an education type of a center. I'm licensed with 37 Medicare companies, but we like to make sure you get the coverage you want. So that's most important to me.
Okay. And Jerry, I want you to give out the phone number right now, but we're going to give it out at the end too. So,
Yeah.
so people have a chance to write this down. So go ahead and give that phone number that they
Yeah,
can get a
it's
hold of you.
816-271-5444.
Okay. Now, let's talk a bit about the client appreciation dinner that you're going to be having October 3rd, right?
Yeah, October 3rd at Stony Creek. We have it catered in. Space is limited there too. Even in the big ballroom, we can only get so many folks in there. So clients need to call the office, talk to Nancy, and get on our schedule or get on our reservation list so we reserve them a spot. That will also fill up too. There are going to be some door prizes and some gifts given as well there. So I encourage anybody that's a current client to give Nancy a call at the same number, 816-271-5444.
All right, Jerry, great information. Once again, thank you for being with us today. And again, one more time at that phone number, Jerry.
816-271-5444.
All right, Jerry, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Great information. All right, stay with us. We're going to be right back.